on pavement, dew on stone, sunlight tiptoes on alpine roofs, silent streets in emerald proof. No cars are humming, no voices call, just a shadow 10 feet tall. Her black fur gleams on cobblestone. This quiet kingdom is all her own. She sniffs the air where cedars grow, one happy year old, soft and slow. Oh, Zoe and Ifrane, paws on the pavement, wash in the rain. She wags the sunrise, she wags the trees, wags the whole world with a whisper, please. Stay gentle, stay golden, stay wild and free. Zoe von Aber to watch the whole city wake up for her. Past the stone lion sleeping so deep, through Parc la Prairie where wildflowers sleep. She drinks from Maine Vitel's waterfall song, then trots where macaques won't stay long. Her ears like velvet, her eyes so kind, she leaves no footprint she can unwind. The cleanest city on earth takes a breath and smiles at the giant who walks without stress. Oh, Zoe and Ifrane, paws on the pavement, washing the rain. She wags the sunrise, she wags the trees, wags the whole world with a whisper, please. Stay gentle, stay golden, stay wild and free. Zoe von Aber, watch the whole city wake up for her. Shh, listen, that's not the wind in the Atlas cedars. That's all breathing. That's the sound of morning learning to be soft.